Okay, so a stapler is basically like a mouse trap or a bear trap. So look, so I wind it back, the top where the staplers are supposed to go in. And then you put a little stick right here, and you pull it down and it snaps at it like a mouse trap or a bear trap. I'll show you one more version of it. So this is how you do it. So right here is the stapler. Then if you pull it back like this, without pulling back the end, you'll get it like this. And you have to hold it and let it stay so it'll calm down and won't fall. Then I got like a little stake thing or something for a stick. And I stick it in here and I push it down, then it should snap. But this thing, it doesn't break much. There's just a few like little marks that you may not be able to see. But I'll show you one more time just to make sure y'all really like it or no. So I'm pushing the end. The end is a little better at snapping, and sometimes this is too. License plate number. Okay. Now, so the best thing to do to get a good snap is make it balance right about there where the staples are supposed to go. And then you push a little and then it should snap. Bye. Hope you have a good night.